Re-iBoot can repair iOS system problems and restore your iPhones easily. Links will be in the description down below. Hey guys, iDevice Help here. Welcome back to the channel. This is my 24-hour follow-up on iOS 13.3 Developer Beta 1. Apple yesterday released this software, and I have to say I'm quite happy with what I'm seeing so far. There's quite a bit of changes and improvements to the software. In this 24-hour follow-up, I'd like to share with you guys additional new features and changes that I may come across after using the software. Of course, be sure to subscribe because I have my longer-term follow-up in about a week here to share with you guys my thoughts on everything in regards to battery, performance, bugs, and everything else. But let's jump into the software and share with you guys some of the changes that I've missed on yesterday's coverage, and starting with RAM management. On iOS 13.2, there's an issue where if, for example, you go into the YouTube application and you're playing a video here, as you see, this is a video playing on YouTube, one of my videos, yesterday's coverage. If I close out of the video and I go back to YouTube, it doesn't reload YouTube once again. It actually keeps it running in the background or frozen in the background as it should be. Now on iOS 13.2, various sources have reported and many users have reported that when you background an application or send it over to the background, when you go to relaunch it, it actually relaunches the entire app, which causes battery drainage, of course, and a lot of RAM usage. So it looks like Apple has been addressing this on the latest beta for iOS 13.3. Number one thing that I'm very happy about. Now, one change that Apple made with iOS 13.3 that I forgot to mention or did not see yesterday on the initial coverage was under the keyboard settings. So if we go to keyboards and scroll all the way down, you see Emoji Stickers. We have the on and off switch. So head on over here to messages and let me show you what this is. So if we go to the emoji keyboard here and we scroll over to the left, we have the frequent used Memojis and Emoji stickers right here on the messages keyboard. So if we head on over to settings and toggle this off, this will actually remove that option from the emoji keyboard. So I'm not sure why Apple did this. I was okay with the Memoji stickers and Emoji stickers, but I guess some users prefer not to use those on newer or older devices. Now keep in mind, these stickers are available on new and old devices. So here they are, the Memoji and Emoji stickers. But again, you can go to recent and remove that option by clicking here on the keyboard. Now that's one of the changes I forgot to cover yesterday or did not see on the initial coverage. Another thing I've noticed is within the cameras application. I'm happy to report that some of the glitches that we saw when scrolling through the scroll wheel here are no longer present. You see how smooth and buttery that is? So I'm very, very happy to report that from iOS 13.2 to 13.3 Beta 1, there's been quite a bit of improvements. Another thing that I'm very, very happy about is the transfer to HomePod feature, where you can transfer any audio to your HomePod by holding your iPhone next to the HomePod. This is working perfectly for me on iOS 13.3 Beta 1. I see your comments on my previous coverage where some of you guys are actually having this work properly on 13.2. For me, 13.3 did the job correctly, and it looks like we're on the right path. So again, guys, be sure to subscribe. My follow-up on the battery, anything else that I may come across in the next 4 or 5, maybe 6 days, my follow-up will be coming, so be sure to stay tuned for that. And thank you for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you real soon. Peace.